welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today, I'm working on my gel plate. So, I see people doing these image transfers, and so every once in a while I get a bug and I want to do one. So I've torn and cut out this girl, and I'm hoping to do a transfer with her face. Like I said, I don't do these very often, just every once in a while. So I did one right before this one I show you, and it didn't work at all. So we're hoping that this one will work. And I think it has a few issues, but that's kind of the deal with monoprinting. If you wanted it to look just like the picture, just use the picture, right? Anyway, so I'm trying to pick up all the excess black, and I wasn't sure how long to leave it on there, and I didn't notice the big shadow by her eye. I think I thought it belonged there. I don't know. So I just left it. Now this, I decided to make some fun metallic sort of Gustav Klimt. This stencil is by Elizabeth St. Hilaire, and I think she with eye stencils. I can't remember. I will check it and link it down below, so you can go there if you want. She has like 2 different Gustav Klimt stencil collections. This is her first one. I don't have her second one, and it's like it was a set of several. I've used them a few times. They're really fun. But yeah, I'm adding some gold because Gustav Klimt loves his gold, right? So I just place the stencil down. The gel plate holds it in place for the most part, except for where the girl is with the black paint. That's not sticking, which is good because I don't want it to peel her up, right? And just putting this in and hoping that it will lift. Metallic paint is a little bit harder to pull. It kind of dries really fast. So I'm hoping that it will work. And I think I pull out another metallic color. Oh yeah, it's a metallic blue color. It's just a craft paint. But it was handy near my desk, and I wanted a variety. And I'm just trying to avoid going into her face. I'm not worried about, her clothes or her hair. I don't know that it will show up there, but yeah, so that's the idea anyway. I'm kind of hoping that some of the areas actually do show up under her clothes or on top or whatever it ends up to be when you flip it around after pulling the print. I don't know. So how is everyone? I hope you're having a good day. It's been a good day here today. It's been raining. Like, I don't know, is it monsoon season? It's nice though. The lawns are looking a lot better. I'm giving it I think I added a second color because I was afraid that one was too transparent. And this is the color shift in blue, I think. That's what I added to that. So you can see it here, and you can see there's like a line across her face. Hopefully that won't be too noticeable when I pull the print. That is a bubble on my gel plate. Very sad about that. I had paper, but apparently the paper bubbled up a little bit and left that mark. So I was trying to get some, some skin color, peach, flesh, whatever, white, Caucasian on there before I put the rest of the colors, because I didn't want it on. I brayered it because I don't want the brush marks, but I didn't want it to be a funky color, so that's why I did that. And I can't remember what color I end up putting on the background, but changing the angle so that I can brayer it easily. And I'm still gonna put white up the center, and then do I do black? I guess I do black because I think metallics show up pretty good against the black. I think that was my hope anyway. And yeah, so we're just gonna put that on. Like I said, the white in the middle to kind of keep that section from getting too dark. And now we're gonna put the paper on, and I let it dry completely because I want to make sure that it's gonna come up. Everything's gonna come up. So yeah, I put a little bit of weight on there, trying to avoid those ripples. I had a little bit too much paint, so it got a little ripply. The paper was hammer mill, a little bit heavier, so it should have worked okay. And here we are. That's not too bad, right? For a once every year attempt at doing a photo transfer. Anyway, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.